Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, and look at that. The Bitcoin now, as I'm looking and seeing what's happened today through work, you can see, remember this white support box? Remember yesterday when it pumped up into here? We thought it had to come all the way down here. Oh, come on. Watch some videos from yesterday. We were telling you after you broke through this white support box, we said it has to come all the way down to the bottom, and that would be a spot where it could come all the way up to the top of the white support box or the moving averages in this blue ring, and then it would get rejected. And it did. It came all the way back up. So that was a good call by Vincenzo on a spot, identifying, sniffing out, and detecting, overting and subverting where a bounce could be. And you can see after we broke this blue ring right here, right, with our industry exclusive perching tool, after we broke this blue ring, we told you the next spot for a mid-level bounce would be the bottom of this white support box, right? The volume indicator where you should get a bounce, and then come back up to here and back test this uptrending blue ring, which you're doing right here. You see that? And get rejected. Then you start trading down and trade within this support box, maybe trade over towards this orange ring that acted as major support and resistance in the past, and then get rejected because you are coming down to 33,000. But like we did tell you, when you broke, we're entering in this symmetrical triangle where you had this as your descending support and this as your horizontal resistance, and then this would trade within your, God, get out of there, would trade within there, and that would be your symmetrical triangle, right? Holy shit. So that's what that is right there. But I think you're not going to get much of a pump on any substantial pump. More would be right up to this orange ring, and then you'd get rejected, or you're just going to straddle this and then come down. But your next leg is coming down to that 33,010 is going to be your next major move. There could be a little bit more upside left though, so we'll keep an eye on that. Dogecoin's the same thing. You can see last time we talked where we were on our way down to, and now if we zoom on in a little bit, isolate in close, you can see we're getting a little pump, but it looks like these moving averages with no volume are going to reject you, and we're coming down here to our underneath target, move that to the current day, of about 10 cents. In any kind of major pump, your short-term overhead resistance that's going to act you down is going to be the 200-day moving average up at about 16 cents, but 10 cents is where I think you're coming on the next major move. XRP is the same thing. You can see we're back testing now. This is beautiful and classic on how this works. Moving averages, the 200, the 100, and the 50, and the green, the blue, and the red respectively, trend down. You break through a ring, come down, make a little bottom, trade back up with no volume but sell volume, back test the 72-cent ring, or this major symmetrical triangle, which used to be lower support back there, would be resistance and resistance, and then you get rejected and trade back down. They love to do that in back test, and XRP showing a classic where if it trades up a little bit more to that 65 cents we were showing you how yesterday and the day before on the way down, what to look forward to before you come down to 47 cents, and then you ultimately come back down even farther and close to the shit house, right? So that's what's going on. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing. This was a quick afternoon update. I'm still at work on another cold but still no snow in the greater Bloomington metropolitan area in central Illinois. Peace and love. Peace and love.